चैंपियन आपके क्लास 12 रिजल्ट्स आ चुके हैं। कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताना आपके कितने मार्क्स आए क्लास 12 में, व्हाट इज़ योर परसेंटेज, एंड जो सब्जेक्ट आपने ग्रैंड अकाड से पढ़े हैं, इंग्लिश, फिजिकल एजुकेशन, हिस्ट्री, पॉल साइंस, व्हाटएवर दे आर, बिजनेस स्टडीज़, उनके भी मार्क्स स्पेसिफिकली कमेंट्स में बताना। First of all, irrespective of what your score is, I want you to watch this video till the very end. इसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा रियल टॉक होने वाली है। कोई भी स्क्रिप्ट नहीं लिखी मैंने इस वीडियो के लिए। इट्स अ वीडियो आई ट्राई टू मेक फॉर एवरी ग्रेजुएटिंग क्लास because there are just a few things that you need to be told or reminded of when you step into this new phase of your life, which is after class 12, which is a completely different phase than what you're used to currently while you're a student taking these entrance examinations and taking these board exams. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गाइज, मैनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। चाहे आपके जितने भी नंबर आए हों, 70%, 60%, 30%, 20%, 99%, आई वॉन्ट टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट यू। यू हैव सक्सेसफुली शोन अप। अगर आप इंडिया के सारे स्टूडेंट्स के स्टैटिस्टिक्स देखोगे, यू वुड एक्चुअली बी वेरी सरप्राइज्ड व्हेन यू लुक एट जस्ट हाउ मेनी पीपल डू नॉट टेक देयर बोर्ड एग्जाम्स एट ऑल। वो एग्जाम सेंटर पे जाते ही नहीं हैं ड्यू टू XYZ रीजन, वेदर इट्स इमोशनल और अ वेरी रियल रीजन लाइक सम स्ट्रक्चरल प्रॉब्लम्स, व्हाटएवर इट इज, मेनी पीपल सिंपली डोंट शोन अप। आप गए तो यू faced the situation, you prepared for your examinations, and you achieved whatever you achieved. I want to congratulate you for that. I know अगर आपके नंबर बहुत कम आए हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस, यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग यार ये क्या कह रहे हैं ऋत्विक भैया, व्हाट इज़ ही ट्राइंग टू से, इसमें क्या कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस की बात है। बट आई जेन्युइनली बिलीव दैट यू taken your board examinations. The big majority of you have actually passed your examinations, which in itself is a reason to celebrate. Now, हमारे कोर्सेज में मैं देख रहा था बहुत सारे बच्चों के 99, 98%, even in the comments of our videos, a lot of people were saying 97, 96, 95. But obviously, a few sprinkled here and there were percentages in the 70s, in the 60s, in the 50s. So I thought मैं एक ऐसा वीडियो बनाऊं जो दोनों कैटेगरीज ऑफ पीपल को cater करे. And in case there's any of you that have not been able to clear the examination, I'll also address that. Firstly, if you've scored above 80%, if you've scored about 90%, if you've scored about 95%, अगर वो आपके expectations के according था, give yourself a pat on the back. I don't think it's as easy as people say. Certainly not above 90%. A lot of people feel very sad when they see their result कि हमारे 90% आए हैं, हमारे 91% आए हैं, and then they compare their result to people that have got who have got 97, 98, 99. But I believe obviously both things are hard to achieve. Just because 97 is a greater number than 91 or 88 is a greater number than 76 doesn't mean that one result is easy and one result is hard. I believe both kinds of results are things that need and require a lot of effort. चाहे आपके जितने भी नंबर आए हैं, I want you to take the day off to introspect. I want you to think about why you got the marks you got. Was it because of your effort or lack of effort? Was it because of your preparation or lack of preparation? Was it because of the teachers you trusted or did not trust? I want you to take the day and introspect, because आपके जो 12वीं के नंबर हैं my dear champions, आपका जो 12वीं का रिजल्ट है, it actually has the potential to teach you a lot about life. I scored about 96.2% in class 12 in 2020. And I don't really have any pride over it whatsoever anymore. Obviously, I did when I got the result, but generally speaking, it's so far away in the past that I don't really think about it anymore unless I have to, obviously validate my credentials in front of an audience. However, I do remember the effort I put in. I do remember the hard hours of laborious studying in libraries, in reading rooms, in sometimes even while brushing my teeth, I was studying. And that period of my life, class 12 and the result it got me, taught me a lot about the value of hard work. कि कैसे हम मेहनत करके systematically सही resources use करके you can almost engineer your success. And I believe that the kind of student I was prior to my board examinations, if I had stayed that kind of a student and if I didn't learn the lessons I needed to learn from class 12, I would be a very different person today. I wouldn't be as hardworking, I wouldn't be as smart, I wouldn't be as well read. तो जब भी मैं अपने क्लास 12 के टाइम को याद करता हूँ, आई हैव टोल्ड यू दिस स्टोरी मैनी टाइम्स, हाउ आई गॉट ओनली अबाउट 59-60% in my half yearlies and how I had to literally plan my comeback from that, and I ended up scoring so much that I went to the best colleges of the country in Delhi University's North Campus, Ramjas College. उसने मेरे को ज़िंदगी के बारे में कितना कुछ सिखा दिया. 12th से चाहे आपका रिजल्ट बुरा हो या अच्छा हो, you need to learn the value of effort. You need to learn the value of staying committed to what you want to do in life, to making plans that align with you and not the expectations of others, to guide yourself through a systematic plan and learn to follow it. These are general life lessons that are going to serve you forever. एंड अगर आपने अपने क्लास 12 रिजल्ट को लॉजिकली प्रोसेस किया एज अपोज टू इमोशनली प्रोसेस करना, ऑब्वियसली इफ यू स्कोर्ड वेरी वेल यू डिजर्व टू सेलिब्रेट. इवन इफ यू हैवंट स्कोर्ड वेरी वेल यू डिजर्व टू सेलिब्रेट. यू पास क्लास 12, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. इफ यू नॉट स्कोर्ड वेल, don't get too emotionally bogged down by it. Try to think about it as logically as you can. I know it's easier said than done, but if you think about it logically, you'll at least be able to learn the lessons that you should have learned earlier or that you need to learn now. Another thing I want to say, and this might be a bit, I don't know, it might spoil your mood if you've got very good marks, but learn to not be too attached to the things that you've already achieved. Yes, it's a great achievement. I scored very high marks in class 12. I completely understand. I was ecstatic for like months. But back in my day, I can't believe I'm somebody that has to use that phrase now. Back in my day, our class 12 marks used to determine a lot. Quite literally dictated the college I either got into or didn't get into. And for me, and for everybody that was in my batch, who was in my batch of 2020, class 12 marks were everything. But I'm very grateful for the fact that that isn't the case for you. For you, your CUET exams matter way more. Your JEE exam matters way more. Your NEET matters way more. Your IPU set matters more. Your XYZ entrance exam matters more. Your foreign applications matter more. Whatever the path you're taking is, that matters most. Yes, your 12th marks matter. IIM में जाओगे in the future, CAT WAT दोगे, उसमें आपके इंटरव्यू के टाइम certain number allot होंगे आपको on the basis of your 12th score. कॉलेज में sometimes some placement cells में आपको CV में 12th के marks डालने होते हैं. So I'm not going to say that it's of no use. Clearly, I'm an example of somebody that has benefited from scoring high marks, who has benefited from scoring high marks. But I will say that there are greater things that you can do. And if you've got a good score, you've proven to yourself that you have the ability to do perhaps even better. So take your high score as motivation and try to outdo yourself in CUET or any other entrance exam. जिनके कम marks आए हैं, you have to apply the same principle. If you feel disappointed, use that disappointment as a way to fuel your success in CUET, which is the exam that actually matters, or JEE, whatever the exam you're taking, whatever career, whatever degree, whatever university you want to get into. Another thing is, the world is changing. Artificial intelligence की development आपने देखी है, आप देखते रहोगे, obviously हम सब देखते रहेंगे. We don't know where the world is heading in terms of jobs, in terms of employability. Conventional degrees की कितनी use होगी in the future, nobody knows, because technology is developing at an unprecedented rate, jobs are being laid off. You understand what I'm trying to say. You keep up with what's happening in the world, of course. So I want to encourage you, as you guys step into the world of college, to focus on things that make you human. So things such as how you talk, how you present yourself, your desire to learn, okay, how you work in a team, how you talk, the language you use, the refinement in the language you use, your posture, how you present yourself. These things will go a long way. When it comes to skills that are technical or mechanical, try to become as broadly skilled as possible. You should know every emerging technology. You should be very well versed with how to use them, and you should understand one thing that class 12 taught me, which I'd like to share with all of you, and that is that you need to be proactive. If you wait for things to happen, if you become too dependent on your class 12 result or even your CUET result, let's say you don't get into the college you want to get into. I certainly did not get into the college I wanted to get into. I wanted St. Stephen's. 2-3 colleges नीचे आता है Ramjas. I got into it. I was sad. But now I know that because of the things I did while I was at Ramjas, and because of how brilliant Ramjas was to me, for me, and for many other people, I grew way more than a lot of people. I grew way more than I would have grown had I been in St. Stephen's. So you quite literally have to remember that you are the engineer now, especially now. You get to decide where your life goes, especially career wise. You get to decide the kind of person you become. You get to decide what's in your future. And that, my friends, can either be helped by the marks you score, right, directly, क्योंकि आपको अच्छे नंबर मिल जाए तो उसके obviously positive outcomes आपको मिलेंगी. But it can also be helped by the marks you do not score. Because sometimes we need something to remind us कि हमने उतना अच्छा नहीं किया जितना हम कर सकते हैं. But instead of getting bogged down about it, if we use it as motivation, if we take it a little personally and we say कि अब I will have something that I need to prove to myself, then perhaps you're going to outdo everyone. So that's something I just wanted to say. I'm extremely proud of each and every one of you. Please अपने results share करना comments में. I just want to tell you that you guys are amazing Grand Acad champions. I'm so unbelievably proud of each and every one of you, irrespective of your score. You know, obviously we want everyone to score as much as possible, but we also realize that people have scored in a variety of scores, and I will never say this one thing कि एक general score से better है, एक supposed score से better है. अगर आपने मेहनत करी और आपका रिजल्ट आया है और आप इस मेहनत से लेसन्स लर्न कर पाए, यू आर इन फॉर अ ब्राइट फ्यूचर. डू वांट टू टेल यू गाइस कि कॉलेज रिलेटेड कंटेंट भी इधर आता रहेगा, सो स्टे सब्सक्राइब. CUET कंटेंट तो आ ही रहा है, काउंसलिंग रिलेटेड कंटेंट तो आता ही रहता है. एंड इफ यू वांट योर डाउट्स टू बी एज क्लियर एज दिस DJI mic mini has obviously now become a part of our outros, please comment your doubts down below. कोई भी आपको डाउट है related to your career, related to your degrees, whatever videos you want, please comment that down below. Follow us on Instagram at grand.acad and make sure to subscribe to Grand Acad and hype this video and like this video. और comments में ज़रूर अपना score बताना और जो subjects आपने हमसे पढ़े उसका भी score बताना. All right, till next time, keep winning, you champions.